Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from NOKIA C12. So at the start if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first way is about opening the settings. Then go to the apps and tap on the CL apps. Now check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you're not recognizing the name of it, just tap on it and choose install. Click OK, and in the second step, go back to the app list. Now we have to find web browser. Choose the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Then choose clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try download antivirus apps, so go to the Play Store and choose the best app for you. I'm using Amos, so in this app we have to tap on the get started here. Click next and skip. Then tap on the start scan. Sorry, I have to close two ads. Now choose continuous free and tap on the start scan to allow a permission. So tap on the switcher, go back to Davos and use the scan type. I'm always using the deep scan. And after this process, all of the viruses, notification software should be deleted from your phone. And that's it. This is how it works. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.